for you since I've been gone.
Hi, Philip here from Hatfield Sound and Security, and this is a Merc Vito high roof with the most insane audio system you've ever seen or heard in your life. Our dear friend brought this vehicle into us, initially had some work done on it, but needed our specialized touch just to make it that bit. It has been kitted out with little starlit lights on the roof. It's got some techno disco lights in there. It's got a full LCD screen with PlayStation. It's all about the audio. The Vito bus is kitted with massive power T2 splits up front. It's got 10 sets of splits. It's got 4 sets of coaxials. It's got 4 12-inch power woofers. It's got 2 massive monoblocks. Bone-chilling, hair-raising, absolute soul-feeding audio like you've never heard before. The equipment that's gone into this build is nothing but the best. No expense has been spared here. Not only in the audio build with all the equipment that's gone in there, but also in the finishing of the vehicle. From the wooden floors to the suede finish on the dash, to the custom airbrushing on the door pods, to all the specific lighting, the floating amp rack. This is a fine example of a car nut's dream. Hatfield Sound and Security. We feed your soul.
For you since I've been